Hey everyone, welcome to the July full-length YouTube channel member tutorial. Today we're going to be focusing on Vogue arms control, which is a part of New Way and also a category to itself. But today's really going to be focusing on arms, so we're going to be breaking down a specific movement for the drills and talking about how you can use this movement both as a basic kind of tool and then also how you can change it up and make it your own. And then we'll be getting straight into the choreo. As always, if this is your first class, I'm going to be teaching a little bit faster than you might expect, and that's because this class is designed to be repeated, it's designed to be taken into sections and repeated in sections, it's designed to be slowed down using the slow down function right there. So I'm teaching it as fast as the fastest student would learn, but you're absolutely not expected to be able to learn it immediately in one go, watching straight through. Let's get started from the very top. We're going to start with this long, flowy phrase that goes all the way through several 8 counts, so it's going to be very consistent on the counts. We're going to start up here, and our first move is going to be right here. So my right hand is in front of my left armpit, my left hand is behind my right shoulder. I'm going 1, 2. On 3, 4, I'm reversing that motion. So 3, my left hand is in front of my right shoulder, my right hand is behind my left shoulder, and then 4, you're opening back up. You're reversing those 4 counts the other way. So you start 5 with my right hand in front of my left shoulder, 6, and then 7, left hand in front of each shoulder, 8. One more time, that first 8 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From there, we're going to do the other version of this movement. So we're going to go 1, 2, bring it back up, 3, 4, then start on the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Just those 2 8 counts together, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, open 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Moving on, we have one more of these, 1, 2, on 3, we're gonna go here, but this time on 4, we're opening our hands, turning our body to the right, and going 4, switching our hands until we reach this position here. Both of my elbows are up, my right hand is in the pit of my left armpit, and my left hand is behind my right shoulder, and then we're opening up to come here. I will break that down one more time. Just finishing this phrase off, we have one big circle at our elbows, and we're bringing this down. Finally, we're curling our hands in front of our body, bringing our hands behind our head, and bringing our hands over in this position. I know I just threw a bunch, so let's do that second 8 count super slowly. We just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're here. We go 1, 2, 3. Open 4, switch 5. This is our picture on 6, 7, 8. We have circle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. From here, once you get comfortable with that, I know it's a long phrase, we're going to break this up. If the music is going to go da 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 da. So we're matching that musicality. Super slowly, we have 1 and 2 and. Good. So again, this is my left hand with the band around it. My right hand is the other one. We're here, we have right hand in front, 1 and 2 and. Both hands come up, 3 and 4 and. Good. One more time from here. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. Let's do that from the very top. That's our first section. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8,